Welcome back to Olaf's Oldtimer. I know it's been some time. The reason is not that the cars work perfectly fine. Unfortunately not. It's just I didn't have time to either work on the cars or take some time and sit down and put some videos together. So here we are again, almost last day of the year 2023, and as you could see in the video just now, something doesn't work. The reverse lights don't do a thing. I of course already checked the bulbs. They're both in fine condition, and what I observed was that one of those little old-fashioned fuses blew many times, and I didn't know why. So the plan is to find out what is the reason behind it, as the bulbs are okay and I know a fuse is blowing. My best guess was that it's actually the switch that activate those lights is the reason, and of course I went to YouTube and tried to find a solution and came up with nothing. In the internet, of course, I found the switch, which is not too expensive and which is available, which is good, but no word where it is. I had some videos that I found explaining that for the manual gear shift it's somewhere under the car, close to the gearbox. For the automatic, probably close to the lever, to the gear shifter. So my plan is to get in the car and open it back up again. You may remember that I had to work in there to get the light going for the selector, which was successful. And afterwards the rear view mirror on the right side didn't work anymore because the plug came loose. So of course I hope for an easy fix, but let's see. Let's get inside and take everything apart again. Hopefully quick fix. So here we are in the car. Another reason why I want to start to look for the issue inside the car close to the gear shifter is this. This came loose again, and I tried to fit it from the outside, but I think I have to take it apart. Of course I didn't bring any tool because I know that I thought this is accessible quite easy. Well, it was, and of course I'm trying to pull it at the wrong place. I need a tool, which I might find in my little toolbox here. Okay, so at least I can pull this one off. And then the big question is, where might this reverse light switch is situated? I don't know. I just don't know. So maybe first step is to take off these screws and look inside this box, because outside I can't find anything which looks like this switch. So let's take this thing off. To do so, I take the wood off. and so on, and so on, and so on. So only a couple minutes later, it was relatively easy to take these screws out, 4 pieces, lift this one up, look into the box, and find nothing except the mechanical mechanism, a spring, an axle to shift the gears. Up here in front you can see quite nicely the bulb I replaced earlier on. Maybe it's even going to focus on it. Which is still working to illuminate the gauge for the selected gear. But also around this box there is nothing that looks even quite familiar or similar to the reverse light switch. So is it under the car in the end anyway? Maybe you can help me out. So please leave me a comment, as I didn't find anything on YouTube or the internet except how the switch looks like. To give me a clue, or you have yet another idea why those reverse lights do not go on when I put the shifter in reverse. Short video today. Hope you have an answer for me. Thank you very much. Stay safe and healthy, and see you soon. Bye.